Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York. I'm actually checking out a house over here for a friend of mine, and this car was just sitting in the abandoned in the yard. So check it out, guys. It's Z28 Camaro. It's got the rally rims on it. Nice car, black. Looks like the doors are locked. Automatic car. It's just sitting here, sinking to the ground. Abandoned vehicle at a vacant house. There's the VIN number. You know, when I check out these houses, sometimes I find cars at 87 Grand National. I found two, but what year Camaro you think this is, guys? Just sitting here, pretty cool. Some trees on it. No rear bumper. What do you think, guys? Rotting away. Oh, there it goes. It did open up. There you go. $81,000 miles. Check it out. Probably the hood won't open, but it looks original. Oop. We'll have the glove cup. It has a reg. Oh, we got a reg inspection sticker. Pretty cool. What do we got here? Check it out, guys. So, old inspection. Oh, what do we got? It's my Oldsmobile. But what year is Z28, guys? Abandoned vehicle at a vacant home. Get this bad boy going, restore it, and run it. Pretty cool car, right? Is it an 81? Not too sure. Those rally rims are pretty rare, I guess, right? So like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Jerry Middleman Battaglia, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York. Have a good day, guys.